Hello?
Bet hands.
What?
Bet hands. What?
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Yeah, that probably didn't make sense, but what would happen if we would literally translate that back to Swedish and then reverse it back to English? Let's find out.
Hello?
What's happening?
Not much.
So vad, a bet, also means what in Swedish, and händer, which in Swedish is the plural version of hand, also means happening or is happening. And then we get...
Hej. Vad händer? Inte mycket.
Let's do one more.
Hello?
Smooth bar a fly in spring driving.
What?
Smooth bar a fly in spring driving. What?
So smooth can be translated into Lena if it's plural in Swedish, and Lena is a common Swedish name. Bar can both be a place where you buy drinks, which is the same word in Swedish and in English, but it can also be the past tense of bära, to carry, or in this case to wear, wore. A fly can mean en fluga, the animal in Swedish, but that is also the word for bow tie in Swedish. In spring literally translates into i vår, which translates back to in our. I know. And finally, driving means kör, but if you take the word kör and you add a hard K to it, you get kör, and kör in English is choir. So, what do we get?
Hello?
Lena wore a bow tie in our choir.
Okay.
Hej. Lena var en fluga i vår kör.
Okay.
And that's a fun way to play around with languages, and I hope you enjoyed it, and maybe I'll do more of these. Fun to do, and with a fancy camera. Look how deft in field I am. Wow. To carry, which is wear, which is wore. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again now. Yeah, this will go in the after credits. After credits. Yes, this will go into the after credits. That's what we'll call it from now on.